What if I told you that a tiny mammal's scales are made of the exact same tough material as your fingernails? We are going to compare the pangolin's natural armor against human physical power. First, let's establish who we are talking about. Pangolins, also known as scaly anteaters, are the only mammals in the world covered in keratin scales. This order, Pholidota, contains 3 distinct genera that look nothing like your average animal. Now consider the material science. Their bodies are protected by overlapping scales made of keratin, which is chemically identical to human hair and fingernails. This gives them a strange prehistoric armored look that evolved specifically for defense. Let's compare this to human strength. Humans have immense dexterity and raw pulling power with our muscles, but we are incredibly fragile without clothing. The pangolin sacrifices speed for absolute protection against predators like leopards and humans. Interestingly, this armor confuses even other armored animals. While pangolins share traits with armadillos or porcupines due to convergent evolution, their scales are unique plates, rather than bony shells or quills, making them biologically distinct. Despite this incredible natural armor, the species is critically endangered. Because humans poach them for their scales and meat, this unique evolutionary adaptation is no longer enough to save them from disappearing entirely. So the comparison reveals a shocking truth. While humans have superior raw strength and tools, nature created a suit of armor so effective it mimics our own biology to survive the wild. The pangolin's keratin armor is a marvel of evolution, yet they face an existential threat. What other animal adaptations do you think are the most effective? Let me know in the comments.